anything we do, discipline is very important, and then knowledge. So never stop learning. Discipline and knowledge, if you have, you will be successful in the market and you will make a lot of money. Okay. So with this, let's start our first half of this second session, and we'll talk more about index today. So we had touched little bit about index in the last session. Here we'll talk in detail about the index. Okay, so index, what is index? Index is basically a collection of a company, set of companies. By looking into that, we can say how the overall market is doing. Like there are two major index. One is Sensex. Sensex represent the Bombay Stock Exchange, and Nifty represent the NSE, National Stock Exchange. In Sensex, we have 30 companies. Companies, top 30 company of different category, different sector. When you say different category, basically it's different sectors. Okay. Then in Nifty, we have top 50 companies of different sectors. Okay. How they are how those companies are selected, that we can see in India. Basically we follow the free float market cap. Okay, what is free flat market cap, and how we select that, that we can cover more in more details. So hope this we understand. Index is something like, we in book we say the chapters index, right? First page there will be like chapter name and what are the main topic. Like that, index is something like that. By looking into the index, we can see how overall market or particular sector is doing. Okay, and it's also called that index is barometer of the company's health. How company is doing, sorry, not company, a country, how country, overall country is doing, that we can see by looking into the stock market index. Okay, so as I said, Sensex has been made up of two words, sensitive and index. So these two words made up with Sensex, and it represents BSE. And in BSE, we have more than 5,000 companies. Out of that 5,000 companies, 30 companies are considered as an index. Okay, picked up as an index. Same way, Nifty, basically Nifty represents the national 50. So top 50 company of NSE, registered company of NSE are called Nifty 50. Okay, in Nifty right now around 2,000 plus companies are there. Overall 7,000 plus companies are listed in both the exchange. Okay, combined. And some companies are listed in both. Some are listed in NSE only. Some are listed in BSE only. And some company can be in both. So this is index. Okay, these are two major index. Okay, Sensex and Nifty. Apart from, there are a lot of other index like IT index, then your automobile index, like that we'll see in detail. But these are two major index. How the company, like BSE has grown over the period of time. You can see they have started around 1979, and they had started with zero, and then it has grown up to 39,000. We are talking about the BSE. This is BSE graph. That level of detail NSE graph I have not got. So I'm not given, but this one was very, like, a lot of good information is there. So I have mentioned here, and you can see the major event overall, right? At this point, market has crossed 1,000 mark. Then that Harshad Mehta case has happened around 1992. This point. Then if you see the major crash has come around 2008, 2007. That depreciation, most of us would have seen that how much fear was there around 2K bubble we used to call, right? That IT sector has gone down and recession was there. So that is the point. So different events are mentioned here. If you see now till 2023, 2024, then you will see the even our Corona time period, right? How market has fallen. So this was the Corona time period around 2020. Market has crashed like more than 50% of its peak. Now it is latest graph. We have already touched the 20,000 mark, and people are expecting, or the different economists and analysts are saying, it will grow from here further, despite this different unfortunate event like Israel-Palestine war, then our Russia-Ukraine war, this kind of, then Ukraine, sorry, Corona event, COVID event. Despite that, market is keep on moving. Okay, so this is about. So let me go through and show different index how it works. For that, we need to I can share this indices website, or you can do Google also. So basically, when you go this Nifty indices, this is official website. You can see all the details, different kind of details from here. All different websites collect data from here, and they make it in more presentable form. So every detail you can get in this. This is official website. So indices, right? If you come to the indices, You will see that in equity market, under equity category, there are different indices: broad-based indices, then sectorial indices, thematic indices, strategic indices, right? So see here, Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 200, Nifty Total Market, Nifty 500, Nifty Multi-Cap, where 50% large cap, then 25% mid cap, and 25% small cap. So you see that, right? Bs, different Bs. For these, you will get the Bs. So like in Nifty 50, we cannot directly invest, or to want to buy every company, right? Then we have to spend around 39,000 for to buy each company, all the 50 company. But in Nifty Bs, there is different category, like one club like mutual fund they have come up, which we call Nifty Bs. If they are you will invest, this Nifty Bs will be around 200, and you can start investing with 200, and that will move same as our index. So it follows the index. Okay. And in the market, there are different no index based mutual funds and Bs, Nifty Bs. Okay. So we have sectorial no indexes like Nifty 50, Next 50, all this category you can see, right? Mid, small cap, mid cap. That's why in mutual fund you see that no HDFC mid cap mutual fund, HDFC small 250 small cap mutual fund, like that, right? So those mutual funds follow the graph, or like same proportion, they put the money in this category. Okay, whatever the category is. So let's go to the Nifty 50. So once we go to the Nifty 50, you can see different things. All the details are there, like top gainers of last market session, top loser. You can see same thing, like which this is same thing like what you are seeing, top loser who has dragged the market. So banking sector basically were down, right? ICICI was most fallen last Friday. So we are coming to the basically this section. So you see here sectorial distribution. So finance sector in the Nifty 50, finance sector contribute around 36%. Okay. Then IT, then oil and gas, then our consumer FMCG, like that. Different sectors contribute different amount. So if you go to financial services, you will see all the companies under the financial. So HDFC is largest contributor in Nifty 50 in banking sector. Then ICICI Bank, SBI, Bajaj Finance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Indus Bank, like that. Okay. Then if you see the IT companies, in IT company, which all the companies are there in Nifty 50, Infi, TCS. TCS was major. Now Infi has come up on no top. So this is based on their market cap weightage. So that's why they will be like going up and down. Like sometimes TCS will be more, then Infi will be more, something like that. Okay. Then SCL, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, and LTMI, that is our L&T Mindtree. Okay. Then which other category you want to see? FMCG contribute 9.29%, around 10, and ITC is major contributor. Then HUL, Tata Consumer, Britannia, Nestle. So earlier HUL was at top. Now ITC's price has increased drastically. So now ITC is a top contributor of Nifty 50 in FMCG category. Okay. Metal and mining sector are quite cyclic in nature. If you see their graph, we'll talk more about what is the cyclic and growth, or like different category of sector. So Tata Steel, Adani Enterprise, JSW Steel, Hindalco. Okay. So these are different company under Nifty 50. You can download this complete like Nifty 50 list by downloading the index constituent. Okay, so basically it says which all the companies contribute to Nifty 50. So like this. So I have downloaded this, and let me see. This is Bank Nifty, next Nifty 50. This is the 50. So this is the list of all the 50 companies which are part of Nifty 50 ones. Okay, so let me have a sip of water. So these are the list of 50 companies which are there in the Nifty 50. Okay, you can see. And then I have created a pivot table. Here you can see different sectors. Automobile, which all the companies are there, chemical, construction material. So, and how many companies particular category have, you can see. Telecommunication, only Airtel is there, Vodafone has gone down, BSNL has gone down, right? So right now, if you See the Nifty 50, only the Bharti Airtel is there in the telecommunication group. In service power sector, Adani Port and Special Economic Zone, this company, right? So you can see the same way. Let's go to other indices. Nifty next 50. We have 10 minutes. Then we will switch, take a 10 minutes break and come back and continue. So Nifty next 50. Same way, Nifty next 50 have 50 company which are after 50 company, those top 50 company. Same financial sector. In financial sector, which all the companies you can see. ICICI Bank can, no, this is ICICI General Insurance, not the bank. Bank is in Nifty 50. Okay. Then ICICI Prudential, PNB, Canara Bank, SBI Card, Sriram Finance, Chola Finance, Bank of Baroda, Bajaj Holdings, and LIC. If you see Nifty next 50, fast moving consumer IT they have not kept. There should be some IT, maybe not that much contributor. So our next contributor is fast moving consumer goods, Godrej Property, McDowell's, Marico, VBL, Colpal, Dabur, like that. And I have downloaded and kept here that all the 50 next Nifty 50 company as well. So this is the list. Okay, you can see, and then you can see the different category here. And all these materials are there in your folders and material section. You can already, I have uploaded, you can see there from there. Okay, maybe you can, what you can do, download this, and each company you put here price, one column you can add and you can put the price. Then let's come to the uh, our banking, another major index, which is banking, that will be in sectorial category. So we saw that once, like, based on their size, market cap, we have created different category. Then sectorial, in sectorial are Nifty Auto, Nifty Bank, Nifty Metal, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Private Bank, Nifty Government PSU Banks, Reality, like that. We have, based on their sectors, we have divided different category. Nifty IT, Nifty Healthcare. So very popular one is that Nifty Bank, where we can do the trading and all, right? So in Nifty Bank, you can see there are 13 companies, 12 to 13 companies. HDFC is major contributor, ICICI Bank, SBI, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, Bank of Baroda, Indus Bank. So these are the companies listed in the Nifty Bank. Okay. And you see the different category. For each category, there is one index. And for each one, you will get the Nifty Bs. Okay. I wanted to show you one more thing here. Yes, these are the ETF, right? Someone was asking in the last session, what is that different no bees I see when I say Nifty bees, I get a lot of Nifty bees. So this is how you get these. All the mutual fund companies has created the Nifty bees. That's why you see that Nippon Nifty bees, SBI Nifty bees, like that. Okay. For index fund, these are the major mutual funds which have created the index mutual fund. And now is the recently come into this category. And these are the ETFs. ETFs is like mutual fund only, but they that you can trade in the stock market. You can buy and sell in the stock market. Normally, in normal or general in mutual fund, you cannot buy and sell, but ETFs you can exchange, in exchange you can trade. Okay, buy and sell in the trade your demat account. So this is about banking sectorial we saw. Then thematic. So based on theme or business class, there are different category. Like for Aditya Birla Group, there is no one set of Nifty index where they have clubbed all the Birla groups. Then there will be for Tata. Okay, then Mahindra groups. These are thematic, energy, housing. You see, there should be Sahara groups also. Yeah, Nifty 50 Sahara, right? So you see Nifty PSC, different based on some theme, energy, rural development, like that. They have categorized different in theme base. So this is other index.
So Vijay, here I want to
Yeah.
ask, like, so theme based is something like that. You were talking about small case also is theme based only.
No, small case comes is a market cap base, right? Broad base indices. Small case is here. You can see small cap 50, small cap 100, small
Not
cap
small
200.
cap, small case.
Small case, yes, that is like mutual fund, and that could be on different category. Yes,
Themes also. They're also on theme based only.
yes. Sometimes they create based on theme. Sometimes they create based on the index, like gold and equity, like that. So it's like not exactly same. We can talk about a small case sometime. But these theme, they create theme based also. In small cases, not only theme based, but they also create theme based. There are different category also there. Like they create based on the rural development, right? Where they target all the companies which are contributing to the villages growth. Then they put on the green energy based theme. So theme based are there. Apart from there are more in a small case. Okay. Then strategy indices are there, arbitrage and future, all this category you can see, right? Alpha, we'll talk about alpha and beta. So different category indices you can see here. Everything, all the information you will find in this website. This website I will be sharing. I have not included in notes, but I can ping you in the group. So we understand a little bit about ETF and indices. ETF is nothing but mutual fund, which we can trade in the stock market. And this is not by NSE, but it is by mutual fund houses, AMC houses. We have 3 more minutes. So let me go back. So we talk about this indices. So here you can see different category, market cap based, sector based, theme based, strategy based, and fixed income based. That is basically government security bonds. Then we will talk about more index rebalancing. Index based rebalancing happens twice in a year, once in a March and once in a September.